Welcome to another IronCAD video. We'll be looking into IronCAD's 2027 new features. One new feature that IronCAD now allows is using bulk drawing templates in the manual creation template option. So if you were to go to a new drawing or click on the part and go to create drawing from a part, adding selecting to a drawing will come up. You click OK for new drawing, and the new drawing template will also appear. But as you can see in the bottom left, we have our use bulk drawing template, which will then change the templates to bulk drawings. And then we can use bulk drawings for a single part or assembly. One cool thing is that it will remember your option that you selected before, so that as you continue to go throughout your design, you can use the bulk drawings continuously, or you can uncheck it to use the normal options in the creation template. So we'll click on this template here and click OK, and it will create your bulk drawing using that single part file. And just like IronCAD fashion, you can also go back in, select a different part, and use the bulk drawing and add it to that drawing as well. Hope this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.